Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine. It is what's this, Tuesday morning? I hope everyone is doing well. So I just want to say good morning. I just went to drop off my son in school, and we're just waiting for the school bus to pick up kids that usually take the school bus, and then we're waiting. So you can see other cars waiting, because the rule in Canada is that when you see a school bus with the lights flashing picking up kids, you have to wait. Even if they are there for 15 minutes, 20 minutes picking up kids, you have to wait. The fine is actually $500, because that means that you're violating the rule and you're putting the lives of children at risk. So Canada really values the life of like elderly people and children. Yeah, so we're gonna wait as long as it takes. So eventually he's going and as he's going, every other person is rushing to go. So all the cars are now going through, and I am at a stop sign, so I have to wait because I'm coming in from a side street, so I actually do not have right of way. So now it's my turn and I'm going, and you can see the long line of cars that were waiting for the school bus to pick up the kids. Same thing when they are dropping off. Whether they are picking up or dropping off, is the same thing. Yeah. Okay. So it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. I hope you do have a lovely day, a blessed day, productive day as well. And I am going to talk to you later. Now this is another school bus coming, but because this time around it is not flashing its lights, I am free to go. But if it was flashing its lights and it was stopping to pick up kids, then I'll have no choice but to stop. Okay, take care of yourself now. Bye.